Just a quick video. I was messing with some things and I figured it might help you out. So my Switch, and I'm guessing a lot of people's Switches, seem to have an issue where if you run audio out of the headphone port to the like a capture card or something similar, and sometimes even headphones, you get a nasty buzzing noise behind the game audio, and that was happening to me. I had found that to stream the Switch, I really wanted to stream the game audio off it, but what would happen is if I stream it out the HDMI port, I can't hear the audio while I play the game in real time. So if I'm playing a shooter, I had Fortnite on there, playing something like that, I can't hear my surroundings, so it would put me at a disadvantage in the game. So my solution was, okay, well, I'll run the audio out of the headphone jack. I did that. When you do that, it cuts off the audio from the HDMI feed, so now you're stuck with no game audio being recorded. So the next solution was we'll put a headphone splitter on it, one of these. So, figure plug this end here, plug this into the top of the Switch, plug one end into a converter to switch it into the analog portion of a capture card like the Elgato that I'm using, and plug your headset or headphones into the other end. That seems pretty well. When I did that, I got a nasty buzzing noise, and I looked up a couple things, and people talked about it was grounding or it was looping. So I picked up one of these, this little box here. So this box is by AUKEY, if I'm saying that correctly, AUKEY. It's a ground loop isolator. It cost, I think it was $14, maybe $12 on Amazon. I'll put a link below if you want to check it out. So the solution was plug this end of the isolator into the top of the Switch, plug the adapter here into here, so it puts it between. One in headphones, the other end into the Switch. I'm sorry, no, the other end into the capture card. So Switch, isolator, one end headphones, one end capture card, and then everybody, the stream or the video recording hears your audio, and in your headset you hear your audio too. So I'm going to cut over to the game now, and I'll show you exactly what I meant with the noise, the before and the after. And here we are connected. So we have our Switch connected to the Elgato HD. The Switch is connected via HDMI. The audio is connected to the Switch's headphone port into the analog portion of the Elgato. And as you can hear behind me, you hear this nasty humming, buzzing noise. I want to be quiet for a second so you can hear it. That noise. So I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to disconnect the headphone jack real quick. I'm going to plug the ground loop isolator in and then plug the headphone into that, and you'll see the difference, or hear the difference. And here we are. So as you can tell, it does seem to lower the audio just a hair, but not enough where you can't just compensate that in the software. And as you can also hear, the noise is gone. That loop, listen. All you hear is game audio. Perfect. All right, so as you heard, that made a huge difference. So putting the adapter on, the buzzing, the noise, whatever that is, it's gone. So I hope that helped you out. Definitely improved things for me. As always, guys, I do appreciate the watch. Like the video if you like it, and I'll see you next time.